Hi, I'm Cheers. Today I will unboxing my new faucet and garbage disposal that we got it from Home Depot. So we did renovate our kitchen. We hired someone to put new countertops and cabinets. So we need a new faucet for our sink and garbage disposal. So this is the garbage disposal. It will go under the sink for uh, the food that in your plate. Just dispose it in your disposal and it will grind the foods. So it will go down the drain. So we get this one, the Everbilt brand. It already comes with the power cord and plug. So we just we're gonna hire a plumber to install this under our sink. So it comes with the power cord because some of the garbage disposal it didn't come with a cord. So you have to buy a cord for your disposal. It has a good review on the Home Depot. So this is it, guys. The Everbilt garbage disposal. It has the attachment in it. The plumber will install it. You're going in that sink in there. Then this one will go under the sink. This one where you put your food in there and it'll grind. This is the cover for that. But it's not that bulky. It's just, I think it's 1/2 horsepower. It's not bulky. And I will do the unboxing my faucet. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Cheers Life and Style, and do not forget the hit bell button to be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you.